Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and today we are taking the chaser out to the city. At the moment we've got a photo shoot going on for merchandise that I maybe can't mention. But last night went for a clean at 1 AM, as you can see. Now she's all clean. I literally just registered the car back last night and went for a wash for just today. Finally got a new headrest that Jack made just for this section right here, because Linda has been complaining when I gun it that her head actually bangs on this hard plastic here. Wow, damn, that looks so neat. Very easy install. Just like that. Damn, looks so good. I will link him right here. Definitely DM him to custom make you these. Just warning guys, the lettering was a special request. Looks sick, bro. Hello.
Hi.
Guess what?
Oh, that's really cute.
Yeah.
Finally,
right?
time. It's been sitting in your bedroom for like 6 months.
Yo, no one needs to know that.
It's so cute. Is it magnetic?
Is that better?
A lot better.
Yeah, a lot better. So your head won't be hurt too much.
Cool. Wow, so cute. Hi. Hey.
How are you guys?
Apparently, as you heard Flynn, we are having security issues at the moment with the location. So there we go. Didn't even air up. Holy crap. Or is that just right height? I don't know. Security let us in. It's a good location like this. Look at that. Check this out. Dang. Guys, check out this crown though. Holy crap. This fitment is gold. Dang, check it out. What a fitment. Wow. Yeah, front camber. Alright, so I got the 2 white cars. If you know, you know. This is the famous place to get some photo shoots. Just looking mint. Thank you for cleaning the wheels last night. She cleaned the dishes, guys. Static. How do you run? God. Especially in Sydney streets, like, you're gonna struggle. That's gangster though. God damn. Can you imagine running static? Did that. Crazy. Crazy, right? That's so cool. Sheesh. Check this out. Holy moly. Scrape for days. Oh God. Static life. Car looks sick.
What's up, B?
Apparently I'm gonna model today, so
Oh,
let's go.
nice. Free modeling. Look at it.
Flynn, nice to meet you too, man. Appreciate you inviting me out, man. Thank you. Alright, I got my man Daniel here. He is the owner of Endless. The shoot's a wrap, so I want you to kind of explain Endless and what Endless is all about.
Yeah, for sure. So Endless is a streetwear apparel brand with a automotive Japanese inspired flair to it. The main reason we started the business was to create cool stuff that doesn't cost a bomb to make and whatnot, but more importantly we raise money for kids cancer research.
That's cool.
So yeah, we from each sale of a hoodie or jet tag or any other accessory that we've got, decals, a small portion of it goes through to the Kids Cancer Project at Westmead Children's Hospital. Last year we were able to donate roughly around $400 to kids cancer research, which is, it's not massive, but it's a start. So our main goal is to, you know, find a cure for kids cancer and make some cool clothes and meet some cool people.
That's it. Yeah, these are quality, guys. So if you ever have a chance, go on the website. I'll link it down below, and make sure to follow his Instagram and get some merch, guys. So
appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks Daniel.
Thanks
Appreciate
so
it for
much.
the day, man.
Thank
Cheers.
you. Thank you.
Thanks.
Cheers.